Hello everybody, my name is Professor Born Isaac Berry from Berry Science Lab. Today we are doing the big idea for Calculus website number 4. By clicking on this video, you are obligated to learn with me, and I, as a teacher, am obligated to teach you. Now, let us honor Sir Isaac Newton for making the beautiful subject of calculus, and let us begin. So, there are actually many ways that you can get around something being undefined, the limit being undefined. You can factor, you can expand, you can complete the square, and you can do so much more. So, let's just see an example of this. So let's take the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus 4 whole squared, and then subtract 16 from that and divide that by x. Now obviously you can see why just plugging and chugging won't work. That will just give us a denominator 0 straight away. So what can we do over here? Well, by Sir Isaac Newton, we need a bit more space. So, let's look at this. So, x plus 4 squared, can we expand that? Yes. So, x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 over x. Now, these two cancel out, giving us x squared plus 8x. Now, let's factor out x from that, giving us x times x plus 8 over x, cancel, equals x plus 8. Now, because x approaches 0, then this just goes to 0, giving us an answer of 8. So, thank you everybody for watching the big idea, and we'll see you in the next